We have another 2 points. We're supposed to find the slope again. This is my point 1, point 2. As I said before, it doesn't matter which one you are going to call point 1 or point 2. So I'm going to call this one point 1. So this is my x1, this is my y1, this is x2, y2. I have to find the slope. I'm going to use the formula for slope. I have m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Always write the formula first. It doesn't matter if you remember or don't remember. It's always good to write the formula first. y2 is equal negative 1 minus y1, which is equal 2. x2 is equal negative 3 minus x1, negative 2. Please notice that the order is very important. We subtract from y to y1 and from x to x1. You cannot switch the order, okay? So you have to always keep this order. And we have negative 1 minus 2 is equal negative 3 over negative 3. Negative times negative gives me positive, so this is plus 2, equals negative 3. I have negative 3 plus 2 equals negative 1. Negative 3 divided by negative 1 is equal 3. M is equal 3. And this is basically the solution to my problem, but let's check how the graph is going to look like. So we have x-axis and we have y-axis, and we have points minus 2, 2. I have minus 2 and 2. Okay, this is my first point. And second point is minus 3 and minus 1. Okay, this is my second point. Let's call this point 1, and this is my point 2. Okay, this is my point 1, and this is my point 2. Next, I'm supposed to connect these 2 points. You're supposed to use ruler to do so, and try to be max accurate as is possible. Okay, you're supposed to just do everything with maximum accuracy. Okay, please notice that we have slope equals 3, so this is positive value. Okay, anytime we have positive value, the line will go upward from left side to right side.